What is a computer? Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn what a computer is, how it works, and why it's one of the most important inventions in the modern world. We'll start with the basic definition of a computer, then explore the four main functions of every computer: input, processing, storage, and output. Along the way, I'll explain each concept using simple, real-life examples, so it's easy to understand. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how a computer works, even if you're a complete beginner. So let's jump right in. What is a computer? Let's start with the most basic question. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that accepts data, processes it according to instructions, stores it for future use, and produces useful information as output. That might sound a little technical, so let's simplify it. Think of a computer as a super fast helper. You give it information, it figures out what to do with that information, saves it if needed, and then gives you the result. Whether you're browsing the internet, writing a document, watching YouTube, or playing a game, your computer is following these same basic steps. Now that we know what a computer is, let's look at the very first step in the process. 1. Input. The first step is called input. Input is any data or instruction that you give to a computer. You can enter information using a keyboard, mouse, touchscreen, microphone, webcam, or even your voice. For example, when you type a password to log in, click on a website, or ask a voice assistant a question, you're providing input. Without input, the computer doesn't know what you want it to do, so the computer has now received your information. But what happens next? Let's find out. 2. Processing. The second step is processing. Once the computer receives your input, it sends the information to the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. The CPU is often called the brain of the computer because it performs calculations, makes decisions, and follows instructions. It works incredibly fast, handling millions or even billions of operations every second. For example, when you search for a video online, the CPU quickly processes your request and finds the matching results almost instantly. The computer has now processed the information. But where does it keep all that information? That's the next step. 3. Storage. The third step is storage. Storage is where the computer saves data so you can use it later. This includes your documents, photos, videos, music, apps, and games. There are different types of storage, but they all have the same purpose: keeping your information safe until you need it again. For example, when you save a school assignment or download a picture, that file is stored on your computer or in cloud storage. Now the information has been safely stored. But how does the computer show you the final result? Let's move to the last step. 4. Output. The fourth and final step is output. Output is the information that the computer gives back to you after processing your input. You can see output on a monitor, hear it through speakers, print it with a printer, or even feel it through vibration on some devices. For example, when a YouTube video starts playing, when a document appears on your screen, or when music plays through your headphones. That's output. These four steps, input, processing, storage, and output, work together every time you use a computer. Now that you understand how a computer works, let's see why computers are so important in everyday life. Why are computers important? Today, computers are everywhere. Students use them to learn and complete assignments. Teachers use them to create lessons. Doctors use computers to access patient records. Banks use them to process transactions securely. Businesses use computers to manage data, communicate with customers, and run daily operations. Engineers, scientists, designers, gamers, and content creators all rely on computers to do their work. Even the smartphone in your pocket is a powerful computer. It's hard to imagine modern life without them. Key takeaways. Before we finish, let's do a quick recap. A computer is an electronic device that accepts input, processes the data, stores the information, and produces output. Every task you perform on a computer follows these four basic steps. Understanding these fundamentals gives you a strong foundation for learning more about computers and technology. Conclusion. And that's everything you need to know about the basics of a computer. I hope this video helped you understand the topic in a simple and easy to follow way. If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming computer basics lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.